Hey guys, today we're going to be using the 3-in-1 Halo hair extensions. It comes in this gorgeous little box, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. Comes in this totally cute packaging. So these are the hair extensions and they feel gorgeous. They're so soft. Now let's see what's in the rest of the box. So just behind here, we've got some little care instructions for everything. We've got the little spare Velcro clip. We have the replacement elastic for the extensions. We've got 4 little sectioning clips for your hair. And we have this little mini paddle brush for detangling and styling. And my favorite part is it comes in this beautiful eco-friendly box, so you can keep all of your stuff in it and put your extensions in to keep them safe and stored nicely so they don't get damaged. On my 3-in-1 Halo extensions, we've got these 3 little Velcro clips that come off just like this. And in our little gift box, we've also got a spare one as well. And then we have this little elastic string as well, which is also removable. And it adjusts here just like a bra strap, and it's got these 4 little adjustable settings there. I've gone ahead and taken that elastic string off. So because I've got quite thick hair, I'm gonna go and put all 4 of those Velcro clips on. So I'm gonna quickly grab that spare one out of the little packet here. Starting from the outside, just like that. And that one there. And then we'll pop 2 in the middle as well. Spaced out nice and evenly. And just that one there, just like that. And my favorite thing about these extensions is they've got this little bit of elastic wire, which is nice and flexible and helps mold to your head. So when you put them in, it keeps them looking super invisible. So now I'm gonna prepare my hair to use the 3-in-1 Halo extensions as a clip-in. So to do that, I find the corner of my eyebrows and I run my fingers along my hair, dipping down a little until they meet at the back, and I just section that off, pulling it all up and put it into a little bun on top of my head. And I just grab one of the little Showpony sectioning clips and secure that on top of my head. So in preparation for putting it in your hair, I'll quickly show you how to open and close the clips. So you just put your fingers on either side and you just pop it like that. And you can see underneath there's a little bit of silicone there, and that helps protect your natural hair. And then to close it, same thing, you just pop it in and that closes it. So before you put the extensions in, it's good to prepare your hair a bit with a little bit of padding, doing some back combing. So to do that, just hold the extensions up to where you're going to put them in and have a feel where the clips are, and those are the spots that I'm going to be doing the back combing. So just grab a section of hair where those clips are going to line up, just like that, and get your little Showpony tail comb and just back comb that one, just like that, to create a bit of padding for your extensions. And repeat at the back. So I'm gonna pop these clips open and start clipping them in my hair. So starting from the right hand side, just have a feel of where your hair is nice and teased up. Just clip that one in, then moving along to the next one, then that one slides on in, pop those in, and now we can take this hair out, let it all down, and there we go. Feels so soft, feels super natural, and it just blends perfectly in with my natural hair. So now that I've got the 3-in-1 halo extensions in, I'm going to show you how I style my hair to go out for the night. Start off by placing my fingers under my ear and running them along the back of my head until my fingers meet, and just sectioning that off and pulling all that hair up. And with my little Showpony sectioning clips, I just section that on top of my head, securing that down just like that. And with this little bit of hair, I divide it into 2 bits and just to the front of my body there. Next, I like to spray some of my Curly Ever After spray. So I like this one because it doubles as a heat protectant and also a curl holder. So just give that one a bit of spray. It's because my natural hair is so thick and heavy, my curls don't hold very well. So when I curl my hair with extensions in, the curls hold much better and it just looks overall way better. I'm going out tonight, so I wanted to do more of a romantic look with my hair, so I'm going to just do a full head of curls. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that one. Just hold that one for 5 seconds and then drop it into your hand, and there we are. Just wrap it around the wand and drop it into your hand. I'm just going to take my Showpony paddle brush and brush through all the curls. I like this brush because the long nylon bristles just glide over the hair extensions and they're not going to pull it out.